Ciao, welcome to our kitchen. This is Chef Morris and this is my son Marco. Together we're gonna cook a very yummy, very delicious chocolate chip cookies. Tons of recipes out there, but we're gonna make it very simple so you can enjoy it with your kids at home. You ready?
Yes, I'm ready. Let's go!
One egg plus one egg yolk. And adding one egg will make our cookie richer, alright? Let's mix it again. Mix our flour, a little bit of baking soda, half tablespoon of salt. Okay? I'm just gonna mix it up like this. It's very important that we don't overmix our batter because we don't want the gluten to be activated. We are mixing 110 grams of dark chocolate and 110 grams of milk chocolate. Are you ready to try, Marco? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go.
Let's go.